Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Vedu INC, or probably known as female health stock as well. Now I have talked about this stock couple of days back and this stock moved phenomenally and it has probably doubled, okay, in a very short amount of time. So this is going to be a stock alert, and if you want to check the video, I will give the video link in the description. You can check it out or check the video on my channel, what I have said couple of days back and what has happened. And it has happened in a very short amount of time. So that's the past. Now the future will be is something that we are going to discuss in this particular video. So first of all, understand this trend, okay, understand the current price trend. Now you have stock which is near 10.23. It hits 10.9 and $11. So it already hits 10.23 and started, it just moved a bit low, but I will definitely tell you to be a bit more skeptical now. Okay, now first understand the current rally, which has started from 1.11 or probably even $0.73 and moved up to $10. So the stock is already a 10 bagger if you are holding from 0.73 or point 0.8. Now the thing here to understand is, although the stock give you a sharp amount of return, but at the same time it is at its peak, and that's the thing that one needs to look at. So do not be in a hurry to again purchase the stock, or if you indeed want to purchase the stock, then either let the stock makes a breakout above 10.23 or 10.5, let's say, and sustain above that, or let the stock take its own time to correct, consolidate a bit, because we don't know whether it will correct, consolidate, or it will move higher. Okay, so the level which one should look at as your support will be $5, but $5 is like 50% away. So there is another support level, okay, below 10.23 you have $8, below $8 you have $5. So these are the two support levels which one need to look at. Now there are three scenarios. First, it will wait, correct, consolidate a bit, and again it started moving up. Second, it will correct. Now the uptrend is over because the stock has been in a consolidation since 2002. So it has already moved big and it hits the upper end of the range. So technically it should fall back. This is our second scenario. Third scenario, this will directly makes a breakout above 10.5 in couple of trading hours or days. That's market will decide that. Okay, so two scenarios out of three scenarios are positive and one scenario is negative. Okay, so that's why it would be better if you find a good support level to purchase the stock, or wait for the stock to make a breakout and sustain above 10.5. In both the scenario, if the stock makes a breakout, so this is completely conditional, if the stock makes a breakout above 10.5, because the stock has moved, because the stock has moved, so from here to here it took around 787% for the stock. So because it took the stock 787% from the lower to the higher end of the range, if the stock makes a breakout, we are definitely expecting the same amount of return after 10 point, I would say 10.23 or 10.5. So the big target which we are looking at here is, so the big target that we are looking here, after the stock makes a breakout and sustain over it, or if the stock makes a breakout, then it will definitely reach a level which is as high as $90 in the years to come. And this will definitely take time. There are two things which are conditional. One is breakout and second is breakdown. Okay, so understand the position and understand where the current price is heading to. Currently it is at its resistance level, which is very big. Now if this is a trend reversal, then it will definitely reach much lower before it again started rising again. It started rising. Now if it will makes a breakout and sustain, then the confidence will come for a big target. So wait a bit and let the stock decide what it actually wants to do, and then you make your strategy and play it accordingly. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.